Hello friends, today we're going to be making a clothespin dragonfly. So what we're going to be using is a single clothespin, a pom-pom, 2 pipe cleaners or chenille stems, 2 wiggly eyes, and then I have 3 gemstones here as well. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you how we make this. Okay, so this is our clothespin dragonfly. So here's the supplies that we have. I'm going to go ahead and start off by folding in our wings. So I'm going to take my pipe cleaner and I'm going to fold it over so it overlaps in the middle and then pinch it here. So it's almost like a figure 8. And then I'm going to take it and I'm going to stick it in my clothespin as close as I can get to that metal piece right in here in the center. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing with my second pipe cleaner. And again, pinching it there so that there's that little bit of overlap. I'm going to do the same thing, squish it in there, and then you can form your dragonfly wings so that they stick out right. I'm going to fold these little extra pieces of that pipe cleaner down to the bottom so we can't see them. So right down here. All right, so our wings are done. The next part is to attach all of our other pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to attach the eyes to our pom-pom, because that is going to be our dragonfly's head. So the backs have a little bit of a sticky paper on them. So I'm going to peel that off and stick them to the sides of our head. All right, friends, so I'm going to take our stick glue and I'm going to put a bunch right at the end here. You can't see it on your end, but I have a good chunk of glue there. And then I'm going to stick our dragonfly head right on there, the end of our glue, so our dragonfly has its eyes and now its head. Now I'm going to decorate this back side of the clothespin with these fantastic gems. So we have 2 red and a purple, and these gems have these great stickers on the back just like the eyes. I'm going to peel them off and stick them on. All right, our dragonfly is done. So we have our dragonfly wings, we have our head with the 2 wiggly eyes, and our decorative gems. You could even take a marker or something like that, or paint, and decorate the dragonfly's body even more than I already have. But I think this is absolutely fantastic and fun. Another fun thing you could do is put a magnet on the back and attach it to the refrigerator. And even use it to hold up some papers or anything, as long as you don't open it too wide and let out those chenille stems or pipe cleaners. It should be pretty perfect. Thank you so much for coming and watching today, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.